Yo, big up Wiz Khalifa. Big up, homie.
I acting in a circle.
Live and direct. Let's get this party started.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke trees. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees.
We no care,
So
we no
what, we
care.
go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
You hear me now, man?
You know how they always say that the good die young. That's why I got a wild life.
Simplifying expressions. Objective. This presentation is designed to give a brief review of simplifying algebraic expressions and evaluating algebraic expressions. What is algebraic expressions? It is a collection of real numbers, variables, grouping symbols, and operation symbols. Here are some examples of algebraic expressions. First is 5x squared plus x minus 7. Next is 4. Next is 1/3 xy minus 5 over 7. And last, negative 7 times x minus 2. Consider the example 5x squared plus x minus 7. The terms of the expression are separated by addition. There are 3 terms in this example, and they are 5x squared, x, and negative 7. The coefficient of a variable term is a real number, factor. The first term has coefficient of 5. The second has an unwritten coefficient of 1. The last term, negative 7, is called a constant since there is no variable in the term. Let's begin with a review of 2 important skills for simplifying expression using the distributive property and combining like terms. Then we will use both skills in the same simplifying problem. Distributive property. To simplify some expressions, we may need to use the distributive property. Do you remember it? Distributive property has the pattern like this. A times B plus C is equal to BA plus CA. Examples. Example number 1. 6 times x plus 2. Distribute the number 6. 6 times x plus 2 is equal to x times 6 plus 2 times 6. Then we will have the result of 6x plus 12. Example number 2. Negative 4 times x minus 3. Distribute the negative 4. Negative 4 times x minus 3 is equal to x times negative 4 minus 3 times negative 4. Then the answer will be negative 4x plus 12. Let's have some practice. Try the distributive property on negative 7 times x minus 2. Be sure to multiply each term by a negative 7. Negative 7 times x minus 2 is equal to x times negative 7 minus 2 times negative 7. Then the answer will be negative 7x plus 14. Notice when a negative is distributive, all the signs of the terms in the parentheses change. Examples with 1 and negative 1. Example number 3, x minus 2. 1 times x minus 2. X times 1 minus 2 times 1 is equal to x minus 2, just like the same. Notice multiplying by 1 does nothing to do expression in the parentheses. Example number 4. Negative times 4x minus 3. It will be negative 1 times 4x minus 3. Then distribute the negative 1. 4x times negative 1 minus 3 times negative 1. Then the result will be negative 4x plus 3. Notice that multiplying by a negative 1 changes the signs of each term in the parentheses.